Oh yeah, I squeezed an appointment in, man. I'm looking for a place up here. I want to upgrade my spot. So we got a meeting. We actually just passed it. It's a great location. No, we didn't pass it. It's right here at the walking. Jump out, boys. Hey, stack the deck. Stack the deck. Stack the deck with these contracts, man. That's a lot of land up here, bro. It's a lot of land, dog. It's a lot of land. Man, I didn't know all this shit was up here, bro. I'm finna see.
I haven't seen you in a while.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
You was at the meeting,
I
right?
was, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, the only white face in the crowd.
Right, right.